Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video I want to show you guys how to make agidi from scratch. Please keep on watching. To make agidi, the only thing we need is dried white corn, and in this bowl I have 2 cups. I prefer to use the split corn just because it is easier to blend with my home blender. Then we are going to cook this corn just for 3 minutes. Okay, so into a pot, add in some water, and when the water comes to a boil, pour in the corn and let it boil just for 3 minutes. Okay, we are not trying to cook the corn completely, we're just trying to pre-cook it just for 3 minutes so that we can have a perfect agidi. So when it is boiled for 3 minutes, transfer into a strainer and run some cool water over it. This is just to stop the cooking process because we don't want to cook it further. Then we are going to blend the corn. Now into a blender, pour in the pre-cooked corn, pour in some water. I mean, there is no particular quantity of water to pour in while blending. Okay, just add enough to blend the corn, then blend until it is completely smooth, and then you stop blending. Then I'll tell you guys what the next step is. Now we are going to sieve this corn, and to do that we need a chiffon cloth and we need a big bowl. This chiffon cloth is going to serve as a sieve or a mesh, okay, because we need to sieve out all the chaff. We don't want our agidi to be rough. So now I've created my surface. This is the same process we use when we are making pap or akam. So now that I have my sieving surface, I'm going to pour in the blended corn and I'll add some water as I sieve. I'll use my hand to turn it around until only the chaff is left on the surface. Now this is what is left after sieving. Take it out and go ahead and sieve all the other batches until you are done sieving all the corn that you blended. Next we are going to remove the chiffon cloth and let this sit for like 6 hours or more so it could sediment, and when it is sedimented you can sip out the excess water on top. Now it's time to make the agidi. Now scoop some of the sediment into a pot and add some water to mix it up. Okay, you don't want it to be too thick, just let it be very light, just like you see in the video. On a medium heat, keep on stirring. At first it will seem like it is about to form lumps, but that is not the case. Just keep on stirring on medium heat and you will see it come together. This will take a total of about 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, it depends on the quantity you are making though. Now this was after about 7 minutes of continuous turning and cooking, and this is how it should be at the end. You don't want it to be thicker than this because once it cools down it is going to thicken up much more. Okay, so it is always good to start off with a very thin consistency so that when you're done you get a good texture. You don't want it to be too thick. But if by any means you didn't start up with the right consistency and you find out that it is too thick, you can always add water while you are turning it. And this is a test for doneness. Okay, just get a cool water, take some of the agidi and put inside the water, and if it stays together without splitting apart or scattering inside the water, that means it is properly cooked. Now we are going to tie it. I don't have I don't have Oman leaves or banana leaves. Okay, this is what I have, and this is what I'm going to use to tie my agidi. Feel free to do any shape you want. You can use ice trays. Okay, you can put the agidi while it is still hot into ice trays, and then you have agidi cubes, perfect for pepper soup. You can also use plates. Okay, just know that whatever container you use while it is hot, that will be the shape you have when your agidi is formed. And now let us serve this agidi with our piping hot goat meat pepper soup. Okay, I filmed this pepper soup recipe on the same day that I made this agidi. Be sure to check out my channel for the recipe. Now we are going to enjoy our agidi with this pepper soup. Agidi can also be paired with akara, even though I've not tried it. Okay, I know people do combine akara and agidi. I haven't tried it because I don't feel it will taste okay, just because they are too solid food, so I just don't feel it is a good combination. But let me know in the comment section if you've tried it before, and maybe you might convince me to try it out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till this point, and please give it a thumbs up if you've not done that already. Subscribe to this channel and share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.